Surgeries. Many folks have not taken care of their joints for quite a while, and the only choice you have left is surgery. And we understand that. We understand where you're coming from on that. But if that joint's been degenerative for 15 or 20 years, which is typical, it's also going to affect what we call the rest of the kinetic chain, meaning the rest of the leg, the rest of the arm. It's also going to get into the spine and affect how the spine functions. So even knowing you've had a joint replacement or a joint surgery, we still have a lot of work to do. We have a lot of work to do to restore normal function. If we don't restore normal function, even after the surgery, it's going to affect other joints. And if we don't take care of it, it's going to end up costing you another surgery. This is what we specialize here at Advocate Integrative Medicine. We specialize in joints. We specialize in arthritic, degenerative, and folks, that also includes pre and post-surgical. We want to restore your normal function so that you can have the lifestyle that you're looking for. Folks, it's critical. Call today at 423-388-3643. Come in and see us today. We typically can take same-day appointments, and let's start the process of giving you your life back.